Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all birthday wishes posts you have sent to your friends on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook application on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture. After that, tap on three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on settings. Then scroll down and tap on activity log. After that, tap on your Facebook activity. Then tap on posts. After that, tap on your posts on others' profiles. Now here you can see all the birthday wishes you have sent on Facebook. If you want to delete all birthday wishes posts in one click, tap on select all box. Then tap on remove. After that, again tap on remove to confirm. And that's it. All selected birthday wishes will be deleted from Facebook. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.